This is the flat plate stress and deflection calculator, which determines maximum stress and deflection values for loaded rectangular plates. Let's walk through the inputs. First, we select the edge support type from the drop-down menu. The options are all edges fixed, all edges simply supported, or two opposite edges fixed. For this demonstration, I'm using all edges fixed. Next, enter the plate length, A, and plate width, B, in inches. Then, input the plate thickness, T, also in inches. The applied load, P, represents the total load on the plate in pounds. Finally, enter the elastic modulus, E, in PSI, which is the material's stiffness property. For our example, I'll input 10 inches for plate length, A, 10 inches for plate width, B, 10 inches for plate thickness, or T, 10 pounds for applied load, P, and 10 psi for elastic modulus, E. After clicking Calculate Stress and Deflection, we get our results. The maximum stress is 0.002 psi, and the maximum deflection is 0.004 inches. The zero stress value with this thick plate and low load combination shows the plate experiences negligible stress, while the small deflection of just over 1/1000th of an inch confirms minimal deformation. This calculator helps engineers quickly verify plate designs meet safety requirements. Find the link in the description below.